I hope your wife prepared something delicious because I'm here to eat, drink, and relax.
Raf,
my man.
Don't have a problem. My wife is an amazing cook.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Charity, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Wait. Are you Ben's wife?
Yes.
Babe, is everything alright?
Sure.
There is no problem.
I wanted to show you something.
Babe, you two know each other?
I wanted to show you something upstairs. Can you come with me, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Raf, I'll be with you shortly. Let me just quickly pick something up.
All right.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.